Hello everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the problem of Marvel Rivals not launching. It's so simple and easy, so let's start. Whether you have it on Steam or on Epic Games, this method works for both, so let's start. For the first step, go to the upside arrow in the Windows taskbar. After that, search for Steam or Epic Games. Whether you have the game on, right click on it and then make sure to select exit. After that, go to the Windows taskbar again, right click and then select Task Manager. Now go to the search, type in Marvel Rivals. If you find any, just make sure to right click on it and in task. Do that for the launcher as well, which is Steam for me. If you do find the launcher right here, right click and then make sure to hit in task. And once you do that, open the Steam launcher or Epic Games. After that, go to library and collection. Make sure to search for the game right here. After that, go to this gear icon, manage. After that, go to properties. You will find the installed files section, so click on it. After that, select verify integrity of game files. That way any missing or misconception will be fixed correctly. Just wait for the process to finish. For the next step, go to the Steam logo in the top left corner. After that, go to settings. Now go to storage and then go to these three dots and select repair library. Next, go to settings again and this time go to downloads. Make sure to go to clear download cache section and select clear cache. After that, select confirm, and that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.